Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to create robots.txt in Shopify store. Let's get started. So in order to do this, what we can do is we can actually head over in here on our actual store and then just select the theme that you want to add at robots.txt. What you can do is you can click on the three dots beside the theme, click on edit code right here, and then this will open the code for that specific theme. Now, on this theme that will open, you should be able to just search in here for robots. But in some cases, if you don't have that specific file, what you can do is you can click on this add new template. And then in here, you can just choose a type. For example, let's add this robots.txt. Click on done right here. And once you have done that, as you can see, it will be created just like this. So they have a free built code for this one. You can edit it out however you want. Next thing you need to do is you need to make sure to just visit the Shopify Help Center in order to guide you to edit this robot.txt liquid. So this liquid right here will allow certain URLs from being crawled, add extra sitemap, add crawl delay rules, and block certain crawlers. So this robot.txt can also be tested using this robot.txt tester right here. You need to partner with someone that is actually really knowledgeable in coding in order to successfully operate this robot.txt liquid. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!